Let's say you're a car manufacturer and you've been keeping good track about the history of the products you've been selling. So you've been selling since the year 2000 and you have data for the year 2001 and the year 2002. And what do you sell? You sell cars and tires and bumpers. And you sell those same products every single year. And this is how many of those products you sold in each year. Now say we want to look at every product and we want to look at the number of years where we sold more than 40 of that product. First we're going to copy over our number of products and then we're going to use the COUNTIFS function. The reason we're using the COUNTIFS function is because we're looking at more than one criteria. The first thing we're looking at is to match on cars, and the second thing we're looking to match on is more than 40. So first we're going to select our list of products and then we're going to match on cars. Next we're going to look at our list of numbers sold and we're going to match on our given criteria, which is more than 40. And we can find that in only one year, 2002, did we sell more than 40 cars. Now I can go back and edit this formula, hit F4, and copy down, and we can find that in every year I sold more than 40 bumpers, in 2 years I sold more than 40 tires. Now, if I didn't hit F4, you'll notice that when I copy down and look at the formulas, that these numbers changed. This is bad because if we added more products or added more history, our criteria wouldn't exactly line up. We use F4 so that the criteria stays the same no matter when we copy down. Thanks for watching and happy spreadsheeting.